Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna be doing technical analysis on Bitcoin as usual. Before I start, let me communicate here with my viewers a little bit. I'm gonna be doing upgrades on the website, so you might find it offline for, I hope, less than 24 hours. I'm gonna be upgrading the whole membership system. Also, I wanted to take the time to thank you guys because I never take the time to say this to my viewers and my audience. Thank you guys because I started this YouTube channel, I think 8 months ago, something like that. I never intended to make this YouTube channel my main thing. And now, without even realizing, I am making it my main thing. If you've been following me for long enough, you know I have other things online, and this YouTube channel about cryptocurrency, it was gonna be my entertainment thing. And now, because I like it so much, I am transitioning into making it my main thing. It was never intended to be my main thing, but it's becoming, like, I'm dedicating more time to this than any other thing I do online or even in real life. Even though I have a lot going on in my life as well. I'm dedicating a lot of time on the website, on the Telegram groups, on the YouTube channel. So guys, I wanted to thank you because if I had no one listening to me or watching my videos, I would never, follow through with this. I started a Facebook page back in 2013. It's called Bitcoin for Liberty. Bitcoin for Liberty. I'm sure you can still find it on Facebook, but it's not active. I stopped posting since back in 2013, even though I never forgot about Bitcoin, obviously. Like, since I discovered it, like, anyone that knows me in my real life, they know I always had Bitcoin in my mouth since back in 2013. But I have never been so active creating content until now, last year when I started doing this. So yeah, guys, just a thank you from here. And now let's get into the Bitcoin analysis. 7,100 at the moment. The last thing I posted on the Telegram group was this tightening pattern here. Again, continuation pattern. Expected to break in the upside, but it's never 100%. But since it's a continuation pattern, it was supposed to be breaking up. I got it here. So see, it was getting very, 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 very tight. The volume was super, super low here when it was tightening. Right here, look, not even volume showing here at the end of this pattern. So a break was expected. It did break in the upside, retraced to touch moving average, and now bouncing on the moving average. So it's going up for now. We are still in a downtrend though, so we have not made any higher highs and higher lows. Well, I guess you could say it's a higher low, but we are still waiting for that higher high before we can actually start thinking about escaping the downtrend. So we need to get above 7,500, and until we don't get there, we are not anywhere near the clear. So I'm waiting for this. For now, it's still waiting time. I said this in my video yesterday. It's waiting time until we either break above 7.5 or we break below that 50-week moving average. This is still waiting time. It's very, very difficult to to anticipate if this is actually going to break above 7.5 or it's just gonna roll over anytime now, creating another lower high. So because we've been doing lower highs for since forever, for 3 months now. So unless we get above 7.5, then if we do get above 7.5 and close above it, when we are near here this level, I'm gonna have to make an intense analysis, because if it depends. If it's breaking out, showing a lot of volume, and I see other signals, bullish signals, then it might be a good idea to buy the breakout. Just buy it as when it's breaking out. But if by the time it gets up here, it's already super extended in the upside, the volume is still decreasing. If there's very signals, then maybe the best thing to do is just let it break out, let it go up, and then buy the retracement. If this 7.5 line holds as a support, then you buy the bounce. It all depends. If it's a, you know, a violent breakout with a lot of volume and it's not super extended in the upside, then you buy the breakout. If not, if it's extended in the upside and showing weakness, then you don't buy it. You wait, let it go up, just watch it go up, watch it come down, and then you buy the bounce if 7.5 holds. So I hope the concept is clear, guys. We gotta wait and see how the chart is looking by the time we get to 7.5, if we get to 7.5. If we reverse anywhere before 7.5, anywhere lower than 7.5, then that's an opportunity to short. So, you know, I'm gonna be watching for this. If it, if it creates another lower high, as soon as it's reversing back down, as soon as you have some confirmation candles in the 4 hours, that's gonna be a good opportunity to short from up higher, and the target will still be 6,000. So yeah, I'm gonna be watching. But so far the green volume is increasing. So far it's looking bullish. I mean, not bullish. The big picture is bearish, but I mean at this bounce is looking. It's still looking strong, looking good. So what I mean is there's no signs it's going to reverse right now. You know, anytime soon. We need to let it do its thing. Just watch it go up, and let's see what happens when it gets to a top. What level the top is. And then we can decide if it's worth going long or short. Guys, that's all. I don't have much to say about this. It's waiting time. So I'll leave it here. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.